Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Drawing holds significant importance across various dimensions, including education, creativity, communication, and psychological well being. Drawing enhances cognitive development, especially in children. It helps them improve their fine motor skills, hand eye coordination, and spatial awareness. It also aids in learning and retaining information. For instance, visualizing concepts through diagrams or sketches can make complex ideas easier to understand and remember. Drawing stimulates creativity and imaginations. It allows individuals to express themselves in unique ways, encouraging innovative thinking and problem-solving skills. Here is a beautiful drawing of a house. Drawing transcends language barriers and serves as a universal form of communication. It can convey emotion, ideas, and narratives more powerfully than words alone. In fields such as architecture, engineering, and design, drawing is an essential tool for planning and communicating intricate details that would be challenging to describe verbally. Regular practice of drawing can boost self-esteem and confidence. As individuals see improvement in their skills over time, they gain a sense of satisfaction. It also encourages perseverance and discipline, as mastering drawing techniques require dedication and continuous learning. At the end of the drawing, make shading or color with pointer or marker. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Drawing is a multifaceted activity that enriches our lives in numerous ways. Thanks for watching this video.